Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a really quick video about how to lower the seat on the Z900. The reason why I'm doing it is because I'm 5'8" and whenever I sit on the motorcycle, my legs, my thighs, they do not grip this tank part properly. Moreover, I do not have the tank pads. So under hard braking conditions, I usually, I just slide towards the front, and then this whole thing, it puts, the crotch area is a little bit exposed to that, and that's the reason why I wanted to put the seat down. So the seat is basically, I've removed it, and what we need to do is, you see these two pegs, these are kind of rubbery kind of pegs, right? So we have to take this out, and if you can see closely, the thinner part is at the bottom, the thicker part is on the top. You have to flip it upside down so that this goes at the bottom and this comes on the top. And the process to remove it is quite simple. It's very straightforward. Just push this thing from the bottom with one hand. I mean, if you're doing it with two hands, it's going to be a lot more easier. So this way we can just pop it out and then put it the other way down. Oh, it is already come out. So yeah, this comes out this way. And when we need to put it back, don't try to push it this way, because this is the fatter part. It will take a little bit extra effort to put this down. Rather, slide it from the bottom. We need the thinner one because it will flex easier, right? See? So we would want this to come up from the bottom, and then we are done. But yes, you would need two hands. With one hand, it's going to be difficult. And here it is. This is how it would look when you have flipped them upside down. And now it's all about keeping the rider seat back, and then the seat would be lowered by at least half an inch, and the sliding forward thing under hard braking, that would be controlled a lot more. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys again. Bye bye.